So in this session, we will see uh, how to get a missing value in the plot. Like like if in observe in your data, like maybe it is RBD, RCD, CRD, or could be LSD. Then if this particular value is missing, then how do you calculate this particular value? Okay, and so we try to cover those part in this session. Okay, so let us consider we have a RBD design. Okay, you know that RBD design is estimating missing observation in RBD using the AIDS technique. So this is called AIDS technique. So what is the AIDS technique? I will explain you later on. So this is my data actually look like. So 1, 2, 3 up to S up to Q, and 1, 2, 3 up to R. We have P, and somewhere we have a data of X which you called Y. RS means the row and the column. So this is called RS at the data, which we assume this is the X. Okay, that quantity we have assumed X. So when RBD is conducted, it may be happen that the observation from a particular class is missing. Okay, you know that when you conduct the experiment, you may find that this particular data or particular observations may be missing. Okay. So if this observation will be missing, then how do we compute that? Maybe because of it is accidentally, or it may be the attack of like a paste or negligible part of all the observer. Okay. In this situation, one can use this AIDS missing plot technique. Okay. AIDS missing plot technique to estimate the missing observation. So to get the missing observation, one can use this particular technique. So what is the assumptions we are using here? Let P be the number of treatments and Q be the number of blocks. That is as usual statement we are using. And YRS will be the missing observation, that is the observation where RF treatment is applied in the SF blocks, okay, which you generally be called as YRS is equal to X. And we know that TR dot will be the total of Q, means I know this second dot will be basically the Q observation where RF treatment is applied. You know the total when we say ith total and like that. So when RF treatment is applied, it will get the total of Q observation. And similarly, when we have a reverse way like T dot S, so what could be total? What could be total? It's a total of known Q minus 1 observation plus X, right? You want total of Arath observations. So how you will get it that? How will you get it that? So if you're just taking the total of these entries, okay. So this will be the total of these entries. Since this is missing, so I have a total of Q minus 1 observations, right? 1, 2, 3 up to Q. So Q minus 1 observation plus X. It would be what? It would be simply TR dot dash, which we assume that it's a Q minus 1 observations ka like total, which is known, plus X, means X will be your unknown value. Similarly, one can take the total of field observation from the SF block will be total of P minus 1 observation plus X, and we can call this T dash dot S. So you can see the difference here. When we use this dash, means we have the one less observations. So if total are p observations, so we have p minus 1 observation. So if we have the p observations, the total become p minus 1 observation. This is we are representing as t dot s dash. And you know about the grand total. Grand total will be simply a total of all observations, which is pq. Since again there are one observations are missing, so whatever the total will be there, you have to subtract minus 1 plus x. So which will be again simple notation g dash plus x. Okay. So you can visualize everywhere we are saying that dash dash plus x, dash dash plus x, and we try to compute that x. So what is the formula for correction factor? What is the formula? It is g square upon x. Usual formula, right? G square upon. But what is your g? It is a g dash plus x, because g will be represented by g dash plus x square upon pq. Similarly, you have a total sum of square, which is double summation yij square minus here, and which can be written as again, it will be double summation yij, but you can see here dash is there something. Okay, dash dash is there. But this basically representing PQ minus 1 observation, because one observation here reduced. Okay, one observation is reduced because in addition, so it is like PQ observations we have minus here. Similarly, one can define treatment sum of squares, which is Ti dot square minus here. If you just look at these all formulas, these formulas are same. The formulas are not changed. As I said, I told you I taking value 1 to up to p, and j taking value 1 to up to q. So if this dot is representing j, that means it is taking up to q. That's why I have to divide by q minus here. Okay. So this is the way you can remember the formulas, because otherwise there are so many formulas are there, and recollecting and writing become a difficult task. You will be get messed everything. Okay. So better to have understand that according to that dots, and I is running from what to what, and j is running from what to what. Then similarly we have a sum of square due to treatment, which is similarly again there are p minus 1 observations, t I dot square plus, you know, these observations, right? Because this we have already written. What is that? It is nothing but this tr dot plus x. Okay, so that you can, that much you can remove, or you can just say addition. So in this case we have a simply r minus, means p minus 1 observation. Similarly in this case also we have a q minus 1 observations. Okay, so you can exclude from there minus here. Hence one can get error sum of square, which is simply s square e, which you can take the difference of total sum of square minus treatment sum of square minus block sum of square. Substitute all that that values. Substitute all that values like the which we have calculated, and based on that you can always obtain that. Means you can get simplify these all, like you have st square, so you have this st square, substitute here. Okay, your treatment sum of square, which is nothing but this one, just substitute here, and block sum of square substitute. So you can just say correction factor will get cancelled, and need to be just simplify the steps. So just collect the terms. Suppose I'm collecting this first term, then you can just look at this term divided by q will be one term, and then this term will be separated. So everywhere that first term will be taken together, and plus this x square will be as it is. Okay, so this is done. What is remaining from here? Treatment, this portion is there with minus sign, so it will be considered, and similarly with minus sign this term is considered. You can written here. Okay, and plus 1 correction factor is there, which is nothing but p dash plus x square upon pq, because this minus minus become plus, this minus minus become plus. So you will be get this basically a grand total dash plus x upon p. So you can further little bit if you, because it is like not possible to simplify more, but if we use the technique to minimize the error sum of square, because this is your error sum of square, right? So if you want to minimize the error sum of square, the steps is again common. What is the steps? First derivative equated to 0 and second derivative is positive. So if you take first derivative with respect to x, first derivative with respect to x. So just take first derivative with respect to x. So if you take first derivative, so this portion is going to be 0 because there is no term of x. This is 2x square. So you will be get 2x square, right? Minus, you can see here, tr dash r dot plus x square. So what is the differentiation of this one? tr dot plus x. इसका square क्या होगा? What is the derivative? It is 2 times tr dot plus x into again derivative of this function, which is going to be simply 1. Okay. Similarly, you can get the derivative of this one and this one. So you will get everywhere 2 times, 2 times, 2 times. So you can see 2 times of that, 2 times of that, 2 times of that. Equating with 0, get simplifying, you may get the answer for x. And that is the important task. So whatever could be the answer, you can you can always take that answer in that table form. Okay. So this would be your answer. So you can just look at this. P into treatment dash means total of that. Q into total of that minus grand total divided by number of parameter, total number of parameter minus the number of treatments, number of blocks plus 1. Number of, this is a total treatment, na? Total number of observations. So minus total number of parameter, or you can say total number of treatment minus total number of block plus 1. Like this is the way one can able to get this particular missing value. Okay. So you can just go through, and in case if you have any questions, you can ask. And further, they have said like about the table that like since the one observation is missing, na, तो आपका जो total degree of freedom होगा वो क्या होगा? n minus 1 and as usual minus 1. See, पहले क्या होता था degree of freedom n minus 1 ना? Now since this n is replaced by n minus 1 because 1 is already like one value is missing, so n minus 1 of minus 1 is going to be n minus 2, and simply it is pq minus q, and therefore error sum of square can be obtained using the taking the difference. Similarly, treatment का degree of freedom क्या होगा? Usual p minus 1. Now since the one observation is missing, so it's going to be p minus 2. Similarly, block का क्या होगा? q minus 1, usual formula, usual degree of freedom. Since one's observation is missing, therefore q minus 2. Okay. So like this is the way you can always take the degree of freedoms also. So everywhere it is going to be reduced by 1. Okay. And the whole analysis, like carry out analysis as usual. So जो भी observation आप analysis like RBD or LSD करते हैं, Lattice square design or randomized block design, you have to do exactly same procedure. Only thing is that you need to be understand that how the degree of freedom is reduced and what are the values you are going to be add with respect to the data. Okay, and this is the exactly same procedure you have to be do it for LSD. तो इम्पोर्टेंट क्या है इसमें, आपने आपने इसमें एरर ये सब टर्म्स कैसे डिफाइन किया. So this is your usual formula, right? Since this Yij in that one observation is missing, so I have written separated. Similarly, treatment may be, this is written in separate, blocks may be, and then taking the difference of total में से मैंने treatment and block को removed किया, simplified किया. Since I want the value of x, which can be obtained by minimizing only, so I need to minimize that. And once you minimize that, you'll be get answer for the x. Okay. Any question, anyone? Let me know. Go to chat box and write down if you have any questions. If there is no questions, you can write n so that we can go ahead.
हेलो सर.
Yes, बेटा बोलो.
सर ये जो भी आरबीडी किया सर इसका डेरिवेशन, सर
हम्म,
उसमें सम ऑफ स्क्वायर ड्यू टू एरर का सर फॉर्मूला तो मतलब बहुत बड़ा है, तो वो पॉसिबल होगा क्या याद करना इतना?
बड़ा है मतलब ये फॉर्मूला
सर ये हाँ हाँ सर.
याद क्यों करेंगे इसको?
सर सम्स करने के लिए.
नहीं, सम्स के लिए आपको याद रखने की जरूरत नहीं है. सम्स के लिए यू विल बी कैलकुलेट दिस ना. सी
हाँ
कैलकुलेशन.
हाँ सर, यस यस, हाँ सर, समझा समझा.
और ये भी जो मिलेगा आपको x के टर्म में मिलेगा. आपको डायरेक्टली ये फॉर्मूला यूज करना है x का. और एक बार ये वैल्यू x
ओके
का,
सर, ओके.
सी मिसिंग वाला प्रॉब्लम थोड़ा सा कैसा होता है, ट्रिकी होता है. आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू व्हेन वी सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम ना. आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू दैट. जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड द थियरी, हाउ द थियरी इज वर्क बिहाइंड दैट. ओके. Any question, anyone? So can we go ahead? Go to chat box and write down. Yes, why? Just type why so that we can go ahead. Okay. See, this is the exactly same way we will do it for LSD also. If you understood this RBD, exactly same way we will do it for LSD. अभी LSD में क्या होता है देखो, ध्यान से देखो. As I said, in LSD, we have equal number of observations, equal rows, equal columns, right? So divide by क्या करना है, that is not a problem. Divide by m always there. Okay. So see, in the previous example, we have 1, P, 1, 2, 3 up to Q and 1, 2 up to P. It was like P and Q. Okay, that's why in treatment and in the blog, when we divide that denominator part will be always more important, because P से करना है, Q से करना है, that you need to be take care. And I told you, don't remember like that. You should go by the dots. So I is running from 1 to P, J is running from 1 to Q. तो अगर J में डॉट है तो डिवाइड बाय Q करने, I में डॉट है तो डिवाइड बाय P करने. Remember like that, okay? Otherwise, there are so many things are there which you can't remember, and you'll be some mess up that. Okay. Now, what is the state? What is like procedure in this case? How you do that? See, you know the model for LSD, right? You know the model for LSD. So these models basically automatically, like the data is given to you, and you can able to identify the model. No problem at all. You can like understand the model, how the model is work. Fine. So if I'm writing this 1, 2 up to, like this is T, M means there are M observations. Similarly, 1, 2 up to S, M, because we have equal rows and equal columns. So again, I will be get this particular value, which is x, which is missing. But now look at this, RST, RST, RST. Okay, this is something. Fine. So it's a row total, it's a column total, and there's a treatment total also. So T is represent. So basically here this T represent treatment total. T represent treatment total, and this is the row total. This is the column total. Correct? And what is your treatment total? It's a treatment dash plus X. So when LSD is conducted, it may be happen that same जो आपने previous लिखा है ना वही लिखने का. When LSD is conducted, it may happen that some of the observation is missing. This may happen because same thing we have written. Okay. Now there are M treatments, M rows, and M columns. You have to look it properly. There are M treatments, M rows, and M columns. Achha, are you able to see this particular screen, which is like in 2 pages? Can you see the screen properly?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. And similarly, YRST with a missing observation, that is the missing observation in Sth row, Tth column, where R treatment is applied, where Rth treatment is applied, and we can call that that is YRST is nothing but your X, means we need to be obtain this X. Okay. Now, what is TR? It's a total of M observation where Rth treatment is applied. Total कैसे निकालोगे? TR dash plus X. अगेन R dash. देखो जब मैं भी डैश की बात करूंगा ना तो याद रखो ये डैश का मतलब A1 ऑब्जर्वेशन रिड्यूस्ड हुआ है. ओके, आई विल नॉट रिपीट इट अगेन एंड अगेन. ये डैश का मतलब 1 ऑब्जर्वेशन क्या हुआ है? रिड्यूस्ड हुआ है. सिमिलरली R में 1 ऑब्जर्वेशन रिड्यूस्ड हुआ है, कॉलम में 1 ऑब्जर्वेशन रिड्यूस्ड हुआ है, ग्रैंड टोटल में G dash plus X अगेन 1 ऑब्जर्वेशन रिड्यूस्ड हुआ है. So you can find correction factor, you can find total sum of square. See, these all formulas are same. I am not repeating again and again. It is same. जो आपने पीछे लिखा है ना आरबीडी के केस में लिखा है वही फॉर्मूला यहाँ पे हमने यूज किया वापस. जो ट्रीटमेंट का फॉर्मूला आपने आरबीडी के केस में यूज किया वही फॉर्मूला यूज किया है. ओनली डिफरेंस इज हियर instead of Q we have M, because M is like it is same for all observation, like rows, columns all are same. That's why it is divided by M. Similarly rows के लिए होगा RJ plus RS plus X square upon M. Similarly columns के लिए लेना पड़ेगा CK dash plus X square upon M minus here. And once you know the treatment sum of square, total sum of square for rows, sum of square due to column, sum of square due to treatment, we need to obtain error. तो error कैसे निकालोगे? ये तीनों का टोटल में से, yes, ये टोटल में से ये तीनों को सबट्रैक्ट कर देंगे जैसे प्रीवियस में किया. तो सी सब सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, सिंपलीफाई. अभी ये सिंपलीफाई अगेन यू नीड टू बी कलेक्ट द फर्स्ट टर्म. ये टर्म लिया है, इसका ये टर्म लिया है, ये टर्म लिया है, ये टर्म लिया. दिस प्लस एज इट इज है इधर. ये ट्रीटमेंट देखो इधर आ गया है, ये रोज का टोटल इधर आ गया है, ये कॉलम का इधर आ गया है. और -2 टाइम क्यों आया है? क्योंकि यहाँ पे एक करेक्शन फैक्टर, 2 करेक्शन फैक्टर, बिकॉज ये तो कैंसिल हो गया इस. So there are so many terms. When you write it down on the notebook, you will be understand. And again, if you want value of x, we need to be minimized. So minimizing with respect to x, so first term तो 0 हो जाएगा, second term 2x, so 2x आ गया, and everywhere 2 will come, so 2 2 2 again can equate with 0. Just do simple calculation using like simple cross multiplication, simplifying that, simplify करके आपको इधर x का आंसर मिल जाएगा, and that is the basically your missing value observation, and that we want. And as far degree of freedom reduced, whole analysis is same. Whole analysis is same. Since the one observation is estimated, like one observation is missing, total में से हम लोग one observation reduce करें. देखो यहाँ पे लिखा है. We will reduce one observation by total. Hence, degree of freedom will be changed everywhere -1. पूरा analysis आपको same करना है as usual. Whole analysis you have to like go to the same manner. Fine, as usual. So you can see there is n minus 1, so m square minus 1. Do you remember the degree of freedom for as usual? It was m square minus 1. Remember? For LSD?
Yes, sir.
Yes. LSD total sum of square. Now, since one observation is missing, so we have to reduce by like m minus 1 minus 1. So it's m square minus 2. So you will be get m square minus 2. Similarly, you can write for rows, you can write for column, you can write for treatments. See, I think if you understood,
m-2 आएगा सर.
sorry.
रो कॉलम और ट्रीटमेंट का डिग्री ऑफ फैक्टर m-2 आएगा ना?
Yes, correct. See, you have to do exactly same procedure as you did it in the RBD. So if you understood RBD, you will be like understood LSD also. There will be no query in that case. Okay, so you can just go through that. You can write it down once again. एक बार आप लिखोगे ना उसको, लिख के समझेगे तो आपको समझ में आएगा कि क्या important. What is the important part is here. See this table. What you are considering? Okay, you are taking a total of this, so it is CT. You're taking the total of this is the RAS. Okay, so ये table के basis पे you need to be write down the entire notation, and then you have this all sum of squares and everything. You can use it the formula and you can go ahead with that. So you can take down. You can just go through